In this video, you'll learn how to enable testnet mode on Phantom Wallet. By following these instructions, you will be able to configure your wallet for testing purposes, allowing you to interact with test networks without using real assets. Begin by opening the Phantom Wallet in your web browser. Ensure that you are using a compatible browser that supports the Phantom extension. Once the wallet is loaded, you will see your wallet interface displayed on the screen. Next, locate the settings icon, which resembles a gear and is positioned at the bottom of the wallet interface. Click on this icon to access the settings menu. This will bring up various options that allow you to customize your wallet experience. After accessing the settings menu, look for the option labeled Developer Settings. Click on this to proceed to the developer options. This section contains advanced settings, including the option to enable testnet mode. Within the developer settings, find the section titled Testnet Mode. You will see a toggle switch next to it. Turn testnet mode on by clicking the toggle. A confirmation message may appear indicating that testnet mode has been successfully enabled. Once you've turned on testnet mode, close the settings window to return to the main wallet interface. This action will save your changes and take you back to the primary view of your Phantom Wallet. At the top of the Phantom Wallet interface, you will see a network selector dropdown. Click on this dropdown to view the available network options. From here, choose either Solana devnet or Solana testnet based on your testing needs. Selecting one of these options will switch your wallet to the desired test network. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.